Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be doing another eyeshadow tutorial using the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. I do have a review of this up on my channel, so I will link that somewhere, but let's get into the video. I'm going to start by taking the shade Work It and putting that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade West Side and put that in the outer corner and a bit into the crease. I'm going to go back to that first brush I used and a little bit more of Work It and just kind of blend those colors together. Next, I'm just going to spray this brush with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm going to apply the glitter shade Early Morning all over the lid. I'm adding another layer. Next, I'm going to take the shade West Side and put that along the lower lash line. I applied the Knot from the You Had Me at Hello palette for my inner corner, and next I'm going to be applying mascara. Today I'm using the Colourpop BFF mascara in black. I will apply my lower lash line mascara and be right back. Here is the finished look. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I really do like the glitters in this palette. I realized that it works better to use a setting spray because there isn't as much fallout. I really do like this palette, and this look is really pretty. I think this is good for whatever special occasion you would like it to be. I think this could be a good prom look depending on what your dress looks like. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you would like to see on my channel next, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!